text behind the moving object in Davinci Resolve 18. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So here in media pool, just gonna press Ctrl+I or you right click and click on import media from here. I imported my video. Now what I have to do is to grab this video and drop it onto the timeline. Now I have this video, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna go to this color panel, and now I have this video, and I'm gonna click on, we see here this magic mask right over here. So let's click on magic mask, and now what we're gonna do is to, I'm just gonna delete this, sorry, it's just because of one of my shortcuts when I'm zooming in is creating this. I have to fix this, but now I'm not gonna do it. Anyways, now I click on here and I have this, you see this icon, this plus, this pickup plus icon. Now we just have to draw on what we like to keep. I don't want to remove what I'm drawing with this, so I like to keep this part, and what I'm not drawing or selecting with the strokes, it's being removed. So let's actually test this, and also let's enable the mask so we can see this area, and also I want this area to be removed, this portion. And now what we're gonna have to do is to click on this icon. Sorry. So now we just click on this and we're tracking begins. So we just have to wait a couple of seconds. Depends now on your computer, of course. Maybe it's a Mac, or if it's a Windows, but it's a more powerful machine with an RTX 3080, 4080, 4090. But if you have a Mac, M1 Max, M3 or M2, yeah, depends on your machine. And depends on the length of your video as well. Now I see here that this part didn't been removed, so I'm just gonna select this portion. I want this, and sorry, and that's quite enough. That's all I need. Also, sorry, I forgot to mention, make sure you click on better for better tracking. I'm actually gonna have to click on track again. And let's just wait a couple of seconds. Doesn't take that much, as I said, depends on your computer. I see here again a portion that is not masked, so I'm gonna pause the video so I don't wait. Okay, and now now this looks good. We just have to right click now here and add some alpha. Add alpha output, connect the alpha output, and uncheck the mask. And now let's go back here and we see we have the video. We're gonna add another video here, this up, one on the top, and the one that's being edited, right on the top. Now we can grab some title plus from here. And I'm gonna click this and write Windows or window, I don't know, doesn't matter that much. So I'm gonna have a text, some text from here,